to promote and raise awareness sa mga person with Down syndrome. Ito ang mission ng SM Cares sa Happy Walk 2026. Silipin natin yan sa Agenda Weekend Report ni Joan Manalo.
Walking together in hope, inclusion, and celebration for persons with Down syndrome. Ito ang hatid ng Happy Walk 2026 na inorganisa ng Down Syndrome Association of the Philippines Incorporated, kaisa ang SM Cares. Bit-bit ang temang 3 to 1 and Beyond. Layo ng Happy Walk ngayong taon na tipunin at pagkaisahin ng iba't ibang komunidad, katuwang at champions of diversity para isulong ang kamalayan at pagtanggap dahil nararapat lamang na matamasa ng lahat ang isang inklusibong lipunan na makatutulong sa pag-unlad ng bawat isa. Kaya minamarkahan din ng Happy Walk 2026 ang 23rd installment ng selebrasyon na nagsimula noong 2003. Kwento ni Neil Patrick Arroyo, President ng Down Syndrome Association of the Philippines Incorporated or DSAPI, mahalagang mabigyan ng espasyo ang persons with Down syndrome para sa pagbuo ng isang mundong mas bukas at makatao.
Awareness matters, of course, but awareness cannot be the finish line. It is only the starting point for inclusion. And we're grateful that many have chosen to move beyond awareness into action. But if we are honest, there is still work to do. Why is access for early healthcare and therapies still not available for all? Why are inclusive schools still limited? Why are employment opportunities still the exception? Why do systems for families wait for families to adjust instead of adjusting themselves? True inclusion requires courage. It requires us to challenge status quo. It requires us to rethink the systems built for the typical.
Para naman kay National Council on Disability Affairs Executive Director Glenda Relova, isang commitment ang Happy Walk 2026 para patuloy na maisulong ang mga karapatan at pangarap ng persons with Down syndrome.
Ang national government po ay katulong ng bawat Pilipino at bawat pamilya na may Down syndrome. Amin pong ipinapangako na sa bawat hakbang po na gagawin natin ngayon, kami po ay kasama nyo, kami po ay kasabay nyo, kami po ay kaagapay nyo.
Pinagpasalamat naman ni DSAPI Chairman Elmer La Peña ang pag-aproba ng House Bill 5467 o National Down Syndrome Care Plan Act sa committee level.
They say it takes a village to raise a child. Deep in our hearts, we know it takes extraordinary support and care to raise our children. DSAPI is a volunteer-based organization, and the Happy Walk is proof of what families, volunteers, and partners can achieve together.
Bilang bahagi ng selebrasyon, ipinagkaloob sa SM executives na katuwang ng DSAPI ang isang live canvas painting na gawa mismo ng Happy Walk community. Sinisimboloan niya nito ang unity, diversity at ang maraming buhay na napagkaisa ng Happy Walk movement.
Our support will be very much there kasi ever since we started our business, inclusivity is part of our plan. And yan nga, we really need to give out awareness for these children. Looking forward next year, hopefully we can do it in MOA Arena na for them.
Nasa mahigit kumulang 8,000 ang nakiisa sa Happy Walk 2026 sa SMX Convention Center, Manila ngayong araw. At isinagawa rin ito sa SM City Cebu at SM City Bacolod, kung saan mahigit 2,000 naman ang nakilaho. Kaya ipinagmamalaki ng DSAPI at SM Cares na ito ang pinakamalaking pagtitipon para sa Down syndrome sa buong Asia. Bahagi ang Happy Walk 2026 sa misyong mas palakasin ang lipunan, lalo na ang people with Down syndrome at mga pamilya nito sa pamamagitan ng inclusion at empowerment. Para sa Agenda Weekend, Joan Manalo, Billionaire News Channel.